In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch between candlestick and line charts on MetaTrader 5. If you're a trader or aspiring to become one, knowing how to visualize data effectively can significantly impact your investment decisions. MetaTrader 5, a renowned platform in the world of trading, offers different ways to represent market data, primarily through candlestick and line charts. These charts provide you with insights into market trends and help in making informed trading decisions. So, let's dive in and explore how you can seamlessly transition between these two chart types. First, make sure you're logged into your MetaTrader 5 account and have the trading platform open. Once you're all set, let's find the chart you'd like to modify. You should see your chosen trading pair or commodity displayed with its current chart type, be it a candlestick or a line chart. To change the chart type, you have two straightforward options. The first option involves using the icons available directly above the chart. Look at your toolbar right above the chart. You should see a range of buttons. If you like the quick and direct route, use these icons to make your changes. Locate the icon that represents candlestick charts or line charts, depending on your needs. Simply click on the desired icon, and your chart will instantly switch to the type you've selected. Now, let's discuss the second option, which involves a bit more exploration, but is equally simple. For this, you'll want to right-click anywhere on your chart. Doing this brings up a context menu offering multiple choices tailored for customization and analysis. From this menu, navigate to the option labeled Charts. Hovering or clicking on this option will grant you access to another submenu. From there, select either Candlestick or Line Chart, based on what representation you'd like to use. Your selection will be immediately applied to your current chart. Whichever method you choose, toggling between candlestick and line charts is fast and efficient, allowing you to adapt quickly to how you want to analyze your data. It's worth noting why you might want to switch between the two. Candlestick charts provide detailed insights which include opening, closing, high, and low prices, giving you a deeper look at market behavior. Line charts, on the other hand, offer a cleaner and simplified view, focusing on closing prices over a period, which can be useful for spotting general trends without the clutter. By understanding how to switch between these chart types, you're equipping yourself with tools that enhance how you read and interpret market data. This flexibility allows for better decision-making that aligns with your individual trading strategy. Trading, as with many things in life, is all about perspective, and knowing how to adjust your tools to see things differently can make a significant difference. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you optimize your trading experience on MetaTrader 5. Happy trading!